Today we discuss about choosing the right online training academy in NYC. Choosing the right online training academy in NYC is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your learning experience and future career opportunities. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this decision-making process. ***1. Define your goals. ***. Start by clearly defining your learning goals and objectives. Understand what skills or knowledge you want to gain from the online training academy. Whether you're looking to acquire new skills, enhance existing ones, or pursue a specific career path, having a clear goal will guide your decision-making process. ***2. Accreditation and reputation. ***. Check if the online training academy is accredited by relevant educational authorities. Accreditation ensures that the academy meets certain quality standards. Additionally, research the academy's reputation by reading reviews, testimonials, and seeking feedback from current or past students. A positive reputation is indicative of the quality of education provided. ***3. Course content and curriculum. ***. Review the course content and curriculum offered by the academy. Ensure that it aligns with your learning objectives and provides a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Look for courses that cover relevant and up-to-date topics, considering the rapidly evolving nature of many industries. ***4. Mode of delivery. ***. Consider the mode of delivery for the courses online. Training academies may offer synchronous live classes or asynchronous self-paced learning options. Choose a mode that suits your schedule and preferred learning style. Some academies also provide a blend of both, offering flexibility for students with different preferences. ***5. Instructor quality. ***. Evaluate the qualifications and expertise of the instructors. Look for academies that employ experienced professionals or subject matter experts in the field. Consider the instructor's background, industry experience, and teaching methodology to ensure that they can effectively convey the course material. ***6. Flexibility and accessibility. ***. Assess the flexibility of the training program. Check if the academy offers flexible scheduling options, allowing you to balance your studies with other commitments. Additionally, ensuring that it is user-friendly and provides easy access to course materials, assignments, and support resources. ***7. Industry connections and networking opportunities. ***. Explore whether the online training academy has strong connections with industry professionals and organizations. Networking opportunities such as guest lectures, workshops, or industry events can enhance your learning experience and provide valuable insights into the real-world application of your skills. ***8 Support and Resources ***. Investigate the support services and resources offered by the Academy. This includes access to mentors, tutoring services, technical support, and additional learning materials. Adequate support can significantly contribute to your success in the program. ***9 Job Placement Assistance ***. Consider whether the Academy provides job placement, assistance, or career services. A strong focus on helping graduates secure employment demonstrates the Academy's commitment to the success of its students. Look for information on alumni success stories and job placement rates. ***10 Cost and Financial Aid ***. Evaluate the cost of the training program and any associated fees. Compare the value of the education provided with the overall cost. Additionally, inquire about the availability of financial aid, scholarships, or payment plans that can make the program more financially feasible for you. ***11 Trial period or free resources ***. Some online training academies offer trial periods or free resources. Take advantage of these opportunities to get a feel for the Academy's teaching style, platform usability, and the quality of the content. It allows you to make an informed decision before committing to a full program. ***12 Alumni Feedback ***. Connect with alumni or review testimonials from individuals who have completed the training program. Alumni feedback can provide valuable insights into the Academy's strengths, weaknesses, and the real-world impact of the education received. Choosing the right online training academy in NYC requires careful consideration of your goals, the Academy's accreditation and reputation, course content, instructor quality, flexibility, industry connections, support services, job placement, assistance, cost, and alumni feedback. By thoroughly researching and evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your educational and career aspiration. Thanks for watching.